Hey everyone, is your Xfinity router stuck blinking orange? This means it's having trouble connecting to the internet. In this video, we will explain why it happens and how to fix it step by step. A blinking orange light on your Xfinity router means it's in the process of connecting or updating. This can happen due to firmware update in progress, a weak or unstable internet signal, loose or damaged cable, service outage in your area. If your router is updating its firmware, wait 10 to 15 minutes. The light should turn solid white when it's done. Avoid unplugging the router during this time. Unplug your Xfinity router and modem router. Wait for at least 30 seconds and plug the modem back and first and wait for it fully restart. Now turn on the router and wait for the lights to stabilize, as restart can resolve temporary connection. Ensure all cables are securely connected. A loose or damaged coaxial or Ethernet cable can cause connection problems. If your router is still blinking orange, then check the service outages in your area by visiting the Xfinity website or using the Xfinity My Account app. If the problem persists, reset your router by pressing the holding and reset button for 10 to 15 seconds. This restores factory settings, so you may need to set up your Wi-Fi again. That's it. Your Xfinity router should now be working. If the blinking orange light continues, contact Xfinity support for further help. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.